Hey guys, this is Arvind and it's always island time. Today's a special day because I have a special guest and it is my mom.
Hi guys.
So as y'all know, or you might not know since I'll post this video a week later, it is Mother's Day weekend. Mother's Day is on Sunday, but today's Saturday. It's a really nice weather, so I'm taking my mom out boating. Mom, you want to tell them where we're going?
Yeah, we are going boating to Beer Can Island.
She's right, Beer Can Island. So we're driving all the way to St. Petersburg. We're gonna go to Gandy Boat Ramp. Then from there, we'll go to Beer Can Island, hang out over there for a little while, and then head out to actually the Tampa River Walk. Also, my aunt's family is coming with me. They were super excited and they're coming with us as well. And we're just gonna have a good time. All right, we'll see you there. Mom's doing the inspection of my boat to make sure we're safe and ready to go.
It's ready.
She says it's ready, so that means we can go. So we've stopped at the usual rest area, a quick little bio break, and then we'll be on the way. We have about an hour left. An hour left, yeah. So we have about an hour left.
So it will take another hour, right?
Yeah,
Go
an
there.
hour.
Yeah.
Looks like there's an accident up front.
And it looks foggy too.
Yeah, this fog is weird. I think it's only in this location. Like I said, I checked the weather. It's supposed to be a lot better down there.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. How is it?
We made it to the boat ramp and I love it because it's empty-ish. A lot of these people here are early fishermen probably, so they were out here like 6, 7 a.m. But as you can see, no line at all. I'm the first one here. I'm just gonna be setting up real quick, putting all the cushions on, getting all our stuff and putting it in the boat, and then we'll be off. I'm gonna go put the trailer back, and then we're ready to go. We're actually waiting for my aunt's family. So we're just leaving the ramp, and we'll get back to you when we get to Beer Can Island. And yep, the family's here. Nice to see them. Yep. We just anchored at the sandbar at Beer Can Island, I guess Island. We are just unloaded everything. Kids are already playing. My hair's a mess, as you can see from the wind. But we are having, I think we're about to have a good time.
Great time.
Great times. We're probably gonna stay here for another couple of hours. Everyone's hungry, so we're gonna eat. We packed some pub subs. And if you don't know about pub subs, go research about pub subs. The best subs. So yeah, it's getting busy. It's slowly getting busy. Mom, tell the people, what do you think about this? This is your first time sandbar experience?
Yeah, this is my first time experience. Yeah, it's very nice, enjoyable, excited.
Tell them, what do you think so far?
It's awesome. It's great.
So far, excellent.
We haven't even started. We haven't even barely gotten the water.
Yet.
Yeah. The kids are already having a ton of fun, which is great. This is the benefit of having a boat.
Yes.
Great.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go have fun, eat. Catch you later. getting really windy all of a sudden. The boat's moving. I think it's time to go. So I'm gonna get ready to go. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, everyone's trying to leave. It's definitely getting worse than we thought, but we're okay. We're just gonna go to Tampa now. It's calmer over there. So, yep. Okay, so we just finished up. We had a change of plans. We did not go to Tampa Riverwalk. The conditions got really bad. I couldn't even take videos because it was that bad. I was actually surprised that the bay turned out like that. There was white caps. We could only go cruise at like less than 20 miles per hour. Everyone hauled out of there because it was bad. So we didn't end up going, but we had a great day while at the island. The only plan that didn't work was the Tampa day. Mom, what do you think?
Yeah, we had a good day, but though it was a little bumpy day, but we enjoyed it. We had a good time.
So yeah, you guys heard that, right? It was a good time. Maybe next time we'll go to the Tampa Riverwalk, right? We'll have a video of that, and hey, now we have another reason to come back here. But yeah, Mother Nature, man, she is interesting. She changed real quick. It got bad. I'm telling you, bad. I wish I could have taken videos, but because of the passengers that I had and the people that I had to get back safely, I didn't even bother trying to get out my gear and didn't bother trying to do it. Just wanted to get back. So we got back safe and sound. It's okay over here. We got Blue loaded up and we're gonna go head home.